air fryer chicken wings. It does not get any better than this. Look at that beautiful color. They're going to be tasty, juicy, hands down delicious. Welcome back to another episode of Annie's Smoking Pot. Today we are going to make chicken wings in the air fryer. It is hands down the best way to cook wings as far as I'm concerned. I've done them in the oven, I've done them on a Traeger, but today we're going to put them in an air fryer and we are going to make them delicious. Let's get our marinade going, because what you want to do is we're going to put these in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can marinate them all the way up to 8 hours if you want. The longer they marinate, the more flavor they evoke. It's going to be incredible. Let's start cooking. Man in my gloves, as always. We are going to use flats and drumsticks. You can use the whole wing if you prefer. I just don't like that little, I don't even know what part of the wing it is. It's like the little bony piece that kind of juts out. There's nothing to it. Can't eat it. There's nothing. All it does is take up room in our air fryer. So why do we use it? I don't know. We're not. Flats and drummies are the way to go. Our marinade is Asian inspired. It's a sweet and spicy marinade, but so incredibly delicious. We've got our soy sauce. To the soy sauce, we are adding some minced garlic. You can do this in a bowl if you prefer, but I figure why dirty up a secondary dish, right? We have got hot honey. Adds just such an incredible level of spice. It's amazing. You can use regular honey if you want, but I find it just makes them a little too sweet. We're also adding some Chinese 5 spice. You know, can't go wrong with 5, right? 5's better than 4. We've also got some Asian zing sauce. We have brown sugar. Brown sugar is going to add a level of sweetness. And some gochujang. Spicy, but delicious. We're going to mix that up. Now, our chicken wings are going in the bag. There's no need to prep these or do anything with them. They're perfect just the way they are. Depending what you're using, I have done this exact same recipe as well with chicken thighs into the air fryer as well. It's just so good. You won't be disappointed. All right, let's dump that on in there. Squeeze out as much air as you can, and then we're just gonna mush. Just mush it around. Make sure you try to coat every little piece of chicken. The more coated they are, the more flavor they're gonna absorb when they sit in this marinade. And I don't think you understand how good these are gonna be. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. You want at least 30 minutes just to get some of that flavor absorbed into the chicken. The longer you let it sit in the refrigerator, the better it's going to taste. And a side note, you wanna make sure when we're ready to throw these in the air fryer, we're gonna take them out of the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes just to get them back up to room temperature. Our chicken wings had been marinating in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, actually. I've had them sitting out now for about 15 minutes to get back to room temperature. So now we're gonna go ahead and fire up our air fryer. We're gonna go 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now, it might vary based on your air fryer, the size of your wings, the thickness of the wings. You know, there's so many different variables. I'm thinking though, 10 minutes is gonna be perfect for mine. I, of course, will check them to make sure. While that's preheating, let's go ahead and get some things sliced up that we're gonna put on our wings when they come out. I love pickled ginger. I got this pickled ginger from a coworker, I believe, of my daughter's. It's homemade. It is fantastic. You can just grab some pickled ginger at the grocery store. You could even get ginger root if you wanted to. Slice it really thin, little slivers of it, and make a quick pickle if you know how. If not, get some nice friends, get a coworker. And then I also like a little bit of sliced green onions on top as well. Go ahead and, as always, cut off the nubby. You don't want to eat the nubbies. Nobody does. Thinner the slice, the better. I'm gonna go up about halfway into the green because I do like a little bit of the flavor from the green as well. And that's a good amount right there. Same with the ginger. I'm not gonna put the ginger in here. They're pretty big slivers and I don't want a huge mouthful of ginger because it's gonna detract from the flavor of those wings. And we're just gonna slice it up as well a little bit. Pickled ginger right there. Now, if you watch my videos, this one is a pretty quick video. Why? Because chicken wings are simple. They're quick, they're easy. We're posting 2 videos a week. So you know what? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the pause button. Pause right now. Pause this video. Hit that subscribe button, the like button if you're liking this video. Unpause and come back. And look, I didn't go anywhere. You didn't go anywhere. You just paused me for a second. It's okay. I don't mind. If you've got a recipe you want me to cook, hit that comment button down below. Type it out for me and say, hey, you know what that means, right? Let's get to cooking. Oh, look at those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wings. They've been sucking up that marinade for 4 hours. 4 hours. Oh, this is not going to be pretty. This is going to be messy. That's okay. That's why we wear gloves. We've got drummies and we've got the flats. Now I am putting them skin side up, but I am going to be flipping them probably about halfway through. We'll take a look and we'll see how they're looking and kind of go from there. Can you see that in there? Look at that. I wish you could smell it. I really do. All right, let's get cooking. The reserve marinade, I mean, there's, you know, a good fair amount, probably about, I'd say maybe a 1/4 cup of marinade in that bag. You can use it. I am so paranoid about E. coli, Ebola, blah, 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 whatever it is. So you can cook it down in a saucepan, just heat it up, bring it to a boil, and even reduce it down to about half, and it would make the most amazing, amazing glaze. Let's take a look and see how those turned out. Now, if you're not in the United States and you're watching this, 204 degrees Celsius is what you're going to want to air fry at. You also want to make sure that your chicken reaches an internal temp, which I did check. You want it to be about 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius, and you are spot on. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Can you? You know what? If you have an air fryer, no excuse. No excuse why you should not be making these. Who doesn't like a chicken wing? Who? I don't know anybody that doesn't like a chicken wing. You got an air fryer, you've got a chicken, buy a chicken, kill your chicken, steal the neighbor's chicken, doesn't matter. Make these. You will not be disappointed. They are crazy, crazy good. We're gonna top them with our green onions and our ginger. Just makes them pretty. You know, who doesn't like pretty food, right? But seriously, don't steal your neighbor's chicken. I shouldn't have told you that. Oh, that's great. Now I'm an accessory. If that chicken turns up gone, don't turn me in, please. And our pickled ginger. Oh my gosh. You know what? I know I'm going to regret this decision, but I don't think I can help it. I got to go in and take a bite. We'll do it together. And I love that pickled ginger. All right, we're going in. Can you see that steam? Look at that. It is crispy. It is juicy. It is tender. It is friggin' hot. Oh, not spicy hot. You do get a hint of the spice from the gochujang, and you can taste that garlic in there, and you can taste the hint of the Chinese 5-spice, which is absolutely fabulous. I have made these before, but I've never included the 5-spice. I highly recommend it. Do it because you are not going to be disappointed. You've got that overall sweetness from the brown sugar. Yeah, I got to totally take another bite. You know what? Oh, there it is. Found the gochujang and that Asian zing. The Asian zing sauce. You can get it at your local supermarket. Hey, what about you? Are you a drummy or are you a flat? Which do you prefer? I actually prefer the flats only because the drummies just have that weird little bit of chew on the end that I'm not a fan of, and it doesn't matter because, you know, I'll eat it all. I eat everything. I can't help it. It's who I am. I'm a food pusher. I'll push my food on you. But anyway, There it is tonight. Asian flavored chicken wings, air fryer. 10 minutes. No excuse. Do it. You have to make it and let me know how it turned out. Let me know if you changed it up a little bit. You can also dip these in blue cheese. Some people do that. You don't have to, but you can. There we go. Thanks for joining. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you like the video. Share the video. Save the video. Can you save a video on YouTube? I think you can save the video. I don't know, but like it, share it, subscribe. Don't steal a chicken. Don't. Go to local supermarket, buy a chicken. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great night. Bye. Dude, eat one of those. Oh my God.